Lately, I've been getting into camping with my Jeep a lot more, and I needed a solution that wasn't spending a ton of money. So my friends at Joytutus sent me this truck bed tent to try out. I have not opened it yet. I have not assembled it. So I'm actually going to do this in real time, see how easy it is, and see if this might be a solution for me. Let's go check it out. What's up, everybody? I'm the Derek Frank. Today I'm going to be testing out this Joytutus Truck Bed Tent for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Also, I'm sporting all of the Chuggers gear. If you don't know, Chuggers is a clothing brand that me and my best friend started because we were tired of changing our shorts 400 times a day when we went on a dude's trip. So we came up with these really awesome sports athletic shorts that have elastic bands in them. Super comfy. We have 8 different colors. You can wear them from the boardroom to the back 9. But that's not what we're doing today. Just wanted to mention it. Today, we're putting this on here. I haven't opened it like I had mentioned, so we're just gonna run in, try to set this thing up, see how long it takes me, and see if it might be a solution for me to get out there and start camping. So you get this really nice carrying bag, looks good, and it looks like there's a lot of extra room. There's also instructions that are sewn into the bag. How great is that? So as we get started, we're gonna untie this. I'm wondering how long until I lose these, because I lose everything. So we'll just throw that over here. And then inside there, you have, I'm assuming, like the rain cover, and then you have all your poles to make this work. Now, I'm sure I will need those instructions at some point, but from all the other videos I watched, it looked like this is pretty simple. All right, I'm gonna start getting this thing put together. It does recommend that you put the poles on the ground, so I'm gonna do that first. So let's get the poles out. And I've seen a lot of the videos where people were putting the poles on when you had it on the bed of the truck. That's fine. Ooh, those look nice. Orange, how pretty. And they are color coded, so we've got a couple different colors here. This one doesn't have any colors. This one has some green colors. I'm wondering, it looks like there's like a blue, there's some blue ones, and it looks like there's some blue on the end of where the poles go. Oh, there is. So the tent itself is color coded. How about that? This should be really simple. And these poles are really nice. They're like an aluminum, I'm assuming. They go together really well, but they also feel nice and sturdy. All right, so that's a blue, that's a green, and there's another green. All right, so our green one, I'm gonna assume, again, not watching the instructions, I'm just doing this, that this is gonna go here into this little green pouch and then go across to this other little green pouch over here. Seems like a pretty nice way to do it. Great. Now we'll take out our other green pole and same thing. All right. Looks like we're getting somewhere, everybody. I'm thinking this is the front. Yes. All right, we're getting somewhere. This is the front, I'm assuming. We have our blue one right here. I love that this is all color coded. This makes it a lot easier. And again, like, once you've probably done this a few times, it's probably even easier. Where, though, is, there it is. Okay. Where's the little blue tabby tab? There it is. Okay. Oh, I'll tell you what, that really was not that hard. And now I'm starting to understand what this thing is. So, pretty cool little setup. go. All right, now that I have this up here, I'm throwing the straps on there as I go around. All right, I got the tent up on the truck and was able to put the hooks on super easy. The only hooks I have left are for the tailgate, and I wanna do this so we don't scratch the paint. So I'm gonna try to get it, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna put it on the bumper because there's more than enough slack on these. Aha, there we go. I like that. Okay, let's get this one on the bumper as well. Yep. And then the last one. This one I probably won't do as tight so that it can zip up. Okay, so we have a tent in a truck. Let's unzip it. Oh, this is pretty cool, y'all. And one thing I will say, I left my tonneau cover on. This would probably be a lot easier without the tonneau cover because it is kind of bunching it up in the back. I'll show you that in just a second. But so far, this thing looks pretty darn good. The only remaining pole is this guy. Now, when you're putting the poles on, there are these little black clips that you want to hook up to all the poles, but yeah, other than that, everything was color coded super well. No complaints there. I'm gonna get in this thing. This thing's cool. Let's go check it out. So let's do a quick walk around. Here it is on the back of my Gladiator. You can see this is where the tonneau's rolled up. So if you didn't have that, it would sit down a little bit more flush, which is totally fine. I can absolutely take that off. But these are the straps. You just secure them, like I'll show you right here. This one I'm gonna secure right there and then just pull it tight. I wouldn't go too crazy, but don't leave it too loose in case you have strong winds. And then there's the inside. Really nice zip up door here. You've got your screen for the front of the door and plenty of room once the tailgate is down. So you could easily put a air mattress. I know Joytutus makes an air mattress that goes around the fender wells. That might be something to check out. Let's get in here. It's nice having this liner in here as well. Keeps, you know, you don't really have to worry about cleaning out the bed of your truck. And then we've got our windows, got some air vents. Got this back one here. It's kind of nice. There we go. So it's got Velcro, so just a little bit more air movement. And then the other really nice thing that I like is that it has these pockets on the side. So you can put your phone, wallet, keys, anything like that so it doesn't get lost under your stuff. Now, I am 5'11", and let me flip this camera around. Here we go. This is me laying completely stretched out. This is great. Again, this would have a little bit more give if I didn't have the tonneau cover on. And I could actually probably roll the tonneau cover up a little bit more. But once the mattress is in here, you're not gonna have to worry about that because you'll be elevated a little bit. I do have a regular air mattress I'm gonna try out, but I really think I might go buy that the bed mattress, the one that goes around the fender wells. Why not, right? Tons of space in here. There's a lot of headroom, so I can't stand up all the way, but I can I'm pretty close. Like, I had to kind of hunch over, but this thing's really roomy. And with having the windows on the side or whatever you want to call them, windows, vents, you've got a lot of space. and you've got a lot of airflow. So let's zip up this main one. See what this looks like. There. Sorry, let me get that turned around. There we go. So here is our main zipper. This is a two-hand job. Get it? And this is something, so it's a little bit tight right here. So I'm gonna loosen up that strap in the middle. There we go. You don't wanna rip your zippers. All right, there we go. And now, here's the inside. You got your little air vent. And you can even take this whole thing off right here too. So it opens really wide. You do have some Velcro on there to give it a little bit more security. Overall though, let's open this again. Here we go. So in less than 15, 20 minutes, you could be set up, ready to start camping, super convenient, and the fact that it packs up really small. And if you do have some bad weather, you do have a rain cover, just to give you some more added protection. But it's roomy, it's nice, it's a really durable material. I give this an A+. So these things run, you know, about, I think 150 bucks or so. I'll have the actual numbers down there, but you know, you'll be able to see for sure. If you want to purchase this tent, make sure you go below. Here is my code that you can get it directly from them, or else I have my Amazon affiliate links. So that does help out the channel because this is not a paid sponsorship, but they did give me this to test out, which is really nice of them. And they have a lot of really cool products that I really want to test out, like a future build that I've got. You guys want to see this? I bought this ugly like truck bed trailer, and I'm gonna turn it into an overlanding rig. Maybe I need a rooftop tent for that. I don't know. Joytutus, you wanna, well, let's talk. Thank you guys again for coming along with me on this ride, especially as I'm getting more into doing stuff in my Jeep and doing some more camping, and it's beautiful weather out. So this has been a really fun project, and I can't wait to see what's next. So make sure you stick along, and we'll see you next time.